So it's me. This is Angelo, and I'm Azen. Ow! Almost on other.
Sam!
So
Okay, what
don't.
are we gonna do?
I don't know.
Okay.
Subscribe to her channel and mine too. Subscribe. If you not subscribe, I will kick your ass down. Right?
Like me last time.
Yeah, I kick your ass down for not subscribing.
Yeah, no. Because I cannot. Oh.
I hope this will get 1 million views. But
I just wanted. What quintillion?
no, infinite.
Infinite views. Let me just do an 8 and put it outside and that's an 8. That's
Infinite.
That's
How
still
do you-
an 8.
How do you say so guys, we're Tagalog. We're from Philippines and comment what should we say. So like this. How do you
And somebody comment.
like this? How do you say wake up in Filipino? We say it gising. Gising.
Gising na.
If wake up, it's gising ka na.
Gising ka na.
Gising na, or you can say it gising na.
Okay, yeah.
So
If somebody comment how to spell a word.
okay.
And they said how to spell fish. Flying fish.
Oh, what will I wait? What?
Flying fish is like the easiest.
Wait.
I mean Y.
Oh, you're mali.
No, flying fish.
So, meaning of
Flying fish.
mali is wrong. So, if you guys fish is the English is
Ito muna siya.
Wala pa pala ba kung ano ba?
I know I'm not alone. I know I'm not